What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a doggy door onto a brand new door. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out the old door, put its existing hardware into the new door, and then put the doggy door on that new door. So we're not going to take out the frame, we're not going to take out the molding, we're not going to do anything crazy like that, we're just swapping doors. Pretty simple, right? So let's get to it. I feel like it's going to rain today. Looks like it's going to. So it doesn't rain until I'm done doing this. Onto my table, nice and gently. Good. Not too bad, because I'm going to work right here. I'm going to get the doggy door as well. Le door. So what I did so far is I just put the template on the door. I measured from the dog's shoulder height, which is about 27.25, which is good. It's exactly in the middle of the door frame, so I'm happy with that. The paper itself is kind of cut crookedly, which is a little weird. So we have a slight deviation from the top to bottom. Even if I try to fix the bottom deviation, the top has a deviation as well. So the paper isn't cut exactly square, which whatever. We can deal with it. I don't think the dog's gonna mind too much. Now we gotta drill out each corner with a little pilot hole so we can get the jigsaw and cut everything down. But I'm just tracing out the door outline right now. Hopefully I don't mess up too bad. But it is a metal door, so it should be fine. And the flap's gonna cover all this. This little ridge is gonna be weird to cut, but gotta deal with it, I guess. Alright, cool. Template's done. Now we gotta cut it out as it says here in step 80,004. Drill 3/8 of a hole, corners, template, saw blade, pilot hole. Cool. Each corner. Nice. So now we don't need this guy. So we have it all drawn on. Ta-da! Alright, now we're gonna do the pilot holes for the corners. I'm offsetting the little pin right here. That way I don't damage or go off too widely on this door. This one's gonna be hard because it's on the ridge. But that should be fine, especially with the pilot hole. Fine tooth metal. It says thick metal, but it's whatever. It's 12 teeth. It should be fine. Oh, I broke the blade off. Oh no, that's not good. Well, there's the inside of a door. Styrofoam. Almost there. Sweet. Not bad. Just broke 17,000 blades. Ah. The inside of a door. Foam. Nice and sunny out. It's probably gonna rain in a couple seconds. Let's do this while we got time. So we're gonna take the inside of the flap, or we're gonna take the inside of the doggy door, put it on the inside right now. Hopefully it should fit just fine. Looks like it will. Should be almost no issues. See that? No issue. No issues. We're good. Now I gotta mark the holes. 2. 3. 4. I have finagled it. It works now. Nice. Nice and clean. That took longer than I wanted to admit. Took a little bit of finagling. but I had to use this little needle right here to push the bolt into the inserts. But other than that, worked out just fine. So let's do the rest of them. I can't talk right now, I'm so tired. Whew. I'm setting up like this where the outside door is overlapping the inside door, so hopefully protect it from rain. That's good. 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 It's fine. It's okay. It's not terrible. This one's so finicky. I gotta do this one again. All right, that's better. All right, time to seal it, and it'll be good to go. So right there is not flush, and that's messing everything else up. I think that's why it was kind of hard to get this top part in. So just gonna smack it a bit. There you go. That literally fixed the issue. Nice. So now this guy should slide in. It's not. I need a bigger hammer. Psych. Wood. Some extra force here. Looks better. Try the other side now. Let's push this side back in so hopefully it doesn't pop back up. Nope, I think that was it. Ta-da! Doggy door. I'm gonna flip it around, caulk the outside, call it good. Go inside their house, get their door, exchange the hardware, be good to go. Nothing too crazy, just getting the inside, that's all. Something like that. Obviously, I'm gonna go around the entire thing as well, but for right now, I wanna get the bulk of it. Nice clean line. Cool. Maybe get my gloves on so I don't leave fingerprints everywhere. Huh, it's kind of lame. Look, the back end exploded. I've never had that happen before. All right, there's the door. We're gonna take apart. We're gonna get all the hinges right there, there, and there, and the hardware out. We're gonna put it in a jet door. So let's do that. Put these over here for now. Did they strip this one? No. I'm good. Oh, it's like right there. Come on. Cool. Cool. Well, I can go bring this back once I get that installed in their house. We're good to go. So it's gonna have to go like so, but the start of the hinges have to be at 2 inches from the door, because then it's all gonna be lined up, which it is. So for these hinges, as long as I line it up to the top right here of the wood, it's gonna be perfectly lined up with the old door itself. Cool. Not bad. Not too bad. I'll do the rest of them and I'll show you guys the door when it's all done. All right, the hinges are all down. All that's left is the lock and handle. But until then, we're gonna just clean this door, make it look nice. All my fingerprints off of it. Scuff marks already on it, I don't know how. Looks a lot better. I don't know what happened here though, like this. Like I know the door came like that, but still, I don't know how to get that off. Don't want to come off for some reason. I know I said I wasn't gonna do the inside of the door, but I don't want styrofoam coming out. So inside's all sealed for the most part. Looks nice. Don't need this anymore ever again now. Nah, this is gonna be literally the easiest part about this entire thing. Again, it's just like Lego pieces. They're very easy. You just put them in, you call it good. Good, let's do the top one. Then we're done. Other than bolting it on there, but hey, that's for later. There it goes, cool. Cool, let's drill the side, we're good to go. Literally, just gonna drill, 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 drill. Make it flush, good. All right, good. Okay, I almost forgot this part. There's the door jam seal right there. And I forgot to do it down here. I literally almost installed it without realizing it. That should be good. All right, now we're done. All right, that's how you install a Doggy door onto a new door and replacing its hardware with the existing door's hardware. And now we're just gonna throw it in my neighbor's house and call it good. So I don't think I can record in their house and I don't really want to. This seems a little weird. So hope you guys enjoy the video. See you on the next one. Bye.